Hi, I am Krisztián Takács from Hungary. I work in government office of the capital city Budapest. I came from the Department of Geodesy, Remote Sensing and Land Offices. I am a GIS engineer, and I will speak about the Hungarian geoportal OSGeo-PT. The Department of Geodesy, Remote Sensing and Land Offices, the central organization of Hungarian land management and geo-information, operating spatial data infrastructure by processing and storing geo-databases, carrying out research and development in this field and ensure access to national map databases. BFKG maintains the map and film archives and runs the technical library. Here you can see a picture about the topographical maps archive and the aerial photographs archive. We have a geoportal. This is GeoShop.hu. It was made in 2010. The infrastructure for spatial information in Europe stepped into force on 15 May 2007, and Hungary made this geoportal to correspond to the expression formulated in the framework of developing the environmental protection informatics, and ensures online access to available spatial data for the players of public administration and also for the wide public through internet. It was financed by New Hungary program. If the price of items are not determined by the law, BFKG defines the exact prices and fees of the product. Now I will show how work GeoShop now. It's now you can choose the product at first. When it was developed, it seems that this will be the best way for the public, and because of it, at first you can see the available product, you choose it, and only after you can choose the territories which you are interested. Here you can see that you can determine the territories by polygon or by square, or you can give a name of the city or town. The problem was that when you choose the product, you couldn't be sure that there are items for this territory or not. Only when you choose the territory, you could see that data's available or not. After, when you choose the product and according to territories, you can pay by card, or if it is free data, you can get a link and you can download it. Now we have a possibility to develop GeoShop. Implementation of the Inspire directive on the GeoPortal for surveying and mapping spatial data service. The system was extended to national level in 2013. The system developed for more than 8 years, continuously supplies some data of the spatial data managed by the FTFF, but it is not able to serve the requirements of the WISEC, in English Voters Project Planner module. And because of we have 8 years 8 years work and 8 years practice, and we get many information from users. We decided to develop the GeoShop for all managed spatial data, one-gate administration, and the fast, accurate, and easy service of the VISEC system. Customers require a significant improvement of the existing GeoPortal, which involves making the ordering process simpler, faster, in correspondence with the project's expectation, the ordering of currently available data, and the currently unavailable new selection development. The requirements for the GeoShop is improve the data service for water planning according to the VISEC project. The purchase process should be reversed compared to the current GeoShop in accordance with the VISEC project and what users wish. Licenses for built-in or used software should make it possible to use an unlimited number of users on an unlimited number of websites. And optional English and Hungarian versions. Switching between languages might not slow down or set back the ongoing activity. This is work it's in the GeoShop now, so this needing to change. For map display, the WMS and WFS standards laid down by the OGC must be used. Only open source and free software can be used, except software already licensed by FTFF. We have another web page where you can browse area photographs, central point who. This also use open source and free softwares. And we make contract with the same planners, and they will use the same system and building for this web page. Data for free must not be taken on server in DMZ. Ensure the availability of free products, because now the free products you can't get from GeoShop. In the new version, the purchase process will be reversed compared to the current GeoShop .who. First step will be to choose the era for defined products with the interactive viewer. So this will be the first opening page and not the product items. And after will be the GeoShop will show you which product available for these territories. Because the GeoShop is under processing, I can show you the real design and real behaving of the web page, only the skeleton of it. So after that you choose a territory, you will see the basket where all items you will see which exist only for these territories. And after, if you choose one item, you can clarify exactly what you wish. And here you can see if all product exist for this territory, this kind of basket you will see. Now, some words about items which is for fee. Archive Royal Cadastral Maps, National Cadastral Map databases, topographic maps and control points. These are for fee. Also elevation model, contour line, administrative boundaries. It is in different levels, and Hungarian gazetteers. And now about the free items. The national land cover databases CLC-50 produced by the interpretation of satellite images prepared 1998 and between 2000 at the scale of 50,000. Based on land cover, the area of Hungary has been organized into 70-90 categories, resulting 174,000 polygons. Another very popular items free of charge is orthophotos, which produce from aerial photographs taken in summer of 2000, 2005, and after from 2007 in every year was made about Hungary, but not from the whole country. Here is a small animation where you can see that in 2000 and in 2005 there was made about the whole country, and after only third part of it, and in every fifth year again from the whole country. And according to the law of land survey, orthophotos prepared 10 years ago or earlier are free of charge. So in this year, already the orthophotos which was made in 2008, it's already free. And next year, the 2009, and so on. The other items for free, it's aerial photographs, which is already older than 10 years old. We have a archive aerial photograph store which dated from 1959 and 2008. We have 500,000 frames and already scanned 117,000, and these product already available. You can browse it and download it from or another web page. It's ventral.hu, but this photograph also also be available in the new GeoShop. And now I show some pictures about this aerial archive aerial photographs. Here you can see the monitoring of the level of the camera. This animation was made about the frame of the photos. And here is buildings where you can see the rooms without the top of the roof. And there is a glider, because this aerial photographs was made for photogrammetry interpretations. They have overlapping, and some items which is moving. It's available in 2 or 3 different photos, and we can make animations. And here maybe you can see the black points running in the field. When the picture was made in 1960, one football group make training, and in 3 photos we can see how they move like small ants. And thank you for kind attention.
Okay, Krisztián, thank you for your presentation. Are there any questions? Yes?
When you were discussing about free data and open data, what seem to be the main arguments keeping the data unopen or keep charging for the data, and what are the main arguments for opening up the data?
Okay, I'll repeat the question. So on the discussion about free data and open data, what are the main arguments to go for the open data?
We plan that more and more data will be free of charge, not only orthophotos and aerial photos and Corinne, and because of it, we wish that this new GeoShop will be able all datas for that not only this item, that other items will be free of charge also, because we have experienced that users make very many kind of using, and after this what they develop from this open data, we can use it also. So it's this is our way that more data will be free of charge.
So is it correct? The main argument is because by opening the data, the reuse is higher. That is what you say as the main argument?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
When you say free of charge, it meant free of use, or no, the license of use is
No.
allowed for any use?
Yes.
Another question: is there an open data portal in Hungarian or not?
So actually 2 questions. If you mean free of charge, is that free of use or free of paying money? And the second question was, is there an open portal in Hungary? An open data portal in Hungary?
So you can use it for any any occasion. No need license. Only if you make for public, you should tell that what was the source of it. But you can make with it anything. And so for the second question, you want that? Can you repeat it?
If there is an open data portal in Hungarian, national, because there is in Greece, in other countries, is there an open data where all the data is available for any use?
Yes, you can use it. So
Unless this GeoShop.
no, it's only about Hungary will be.
Time for still another question. Then I have another question that is, you mentioned in your presentation the use of open source and free software. What do you mean by free software?
Well, PostgreSQL and Joomla, maybe this will be used also, but because this under development, I can't tell the exact softwares what the planner will use.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I think this. Thank you for your presentation. If there are, we still have a couple of minutes. If there are other questions, then I suggest to close this afternoon session, and we have 20 minutes to grab a coffee and then come back for the next series of sessions. Thank you.